few months ago, I dropped a video on how to create stunning, beautiful, amazing presentations with Claude Code in just one prompt. And over 500 people opted in to get that GitHub repo and started making their own. But Claude Design just took that entire system to the next level. Oh yeah, and by the way, these animations and captions you're seeing right now were created entirely with Claude Design. And right now, I'm gonna show you exactly how. So let's start with video animations because I have been waiting months for something like this to be possible with Claude. Before you'd have to use CapCut or After Effects or hire motion graphics artists, but now you can do it all within Claude Design. So let's go into my video animations project here in Claude Design. You can see I go in here and there's a video file that actually starts playing right away. And I'll just kind of let it play and just show you some of the animations. So you can see nice, pretty animations. I got this output and all of these animations that I can now overlay into my video in one single prompt. And let me show you exactly how I did that. So I just went up here and I just said, create me beautiful, modern, Apple-like animations to accompany every part of this video script so I can show things visually. We should be using motion graphics, graphs, animations, illustrations, stuff like that to really hone in and demonstrate points I talk about in this video. Then all I did was I pasted my video script or transcription, and then I used a design system. So real quick, let me show you what design systems are. So if you go to Claude Design and go right up here, you have your design systems. So I have one for AI founders, which is kind of like my personal brand, my school community, things like that. And then I have a Vroom design system, which is one of my AI software apps that I sell to auto shops. But each of them have their own unique colors, templates, logos, things like that. And so this makes it super easy to create designs using consistent branding. So this one is more white, black, modern, and Vroom is a little bit more playful, some more blue in there. And so whenever I create a new design, all I have to do is type in a project name, test, and then I can select from my design system. So this makes it super easy to create a new design. But going back to video animations, you can see that it basically has this list of scenes here and graphics that it generated for every single scene. So this makes it incredibly easy to layer in motion graphics, animations, just something that's a little bit more visually engaging than just a talking head in my videos, which is super cool. Now from here, let's say you don't like the output for any reason. Well, you can always go back and just prompt Claude to adjust something. So something that I'm going to say is I'm going to say the font is too small for video. Let's cut some of the font and make it all bigger so it's more legible if someone is watching on their mobile phone, for example. So you can just go here, tell it what you want different with the output, or you can actually go to this tweaks little modal up here at the top. I'm not really quite sure what the difference is between them two yet because they seem to both do the same thing, but let's see the output that Claude gives us. So just like that, Claude made that change and the font is much more legible, and that would have taken forever if we were using some sort of video editing software. So we now have beautiful, amazing motion graphics we can layer into our videos and they're legible on something like a mobile phone. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and download this video so we can bring it into our video editing software. Well, it's a bit strange right now because if I right click and save as, it actually saves as a web page. Is you do have to screen record it. It's not a huge deal. Claude gave me this screen recording mode, so all I have to do is press space, plays the animations, I screen record, then I edit this into my video. Now let's talk about the big one for me, presentations. And I create a ton of presentations for my YouTube videos, school community, etc. And like I said, I had a pretty dialed in system where I could create beautiful presentations with one prompt in Claude Code. And I didn't think that could get any better, but it did. So check out this beautiful presentation I made with Claude Design. All I had to do is come up with a system, a template, paste my script in, and now I have this beautiful, engaging presentation with animations and cool graphics. And look at this, I can even draw on it and I can clear this out and I can change the color and I can do all sorts of stuff. I can even use this laser pointer if I want to present with this laser pointer, and I can switch it between light mode and dark mode, and I can present in dark mode if I want to. But The coolest part about this is that I can actually edit it real time. So the biggest flaw with my system in the past is that every time I wanted to make a little change to, let's say, one word, I needed to tell Claude, hey, on slide 5, change this from the to and, or whatever I wanted to do. But now you have the ability to work with Claude, have it create the presentation, and the little edits you can just quickly make yourself. So let me show you what this looks like. Let's say I wanted to change this headline here. All I have to do is click this edit button, and now I have a full editor where I can change the text, I can change the color, I can change this to purple if I wanted to. I can say, you know, your step by step to get path to get where you want to go. I can even change the font. I mean, this is amazing. It gives you the best of both worlds. Have AI create pretty much the base presentation, and the small tweaks that take 2 seconds, just whip up yourself. This is amazing because I don't know if my presentation workflow can get any better than this now. Now, another workflow I'm super excited about is actually putting together pitch decks for clients to close them on sales calls. So I have an AI software I built entirely with Claude Code called Vroom that I sell to auto shops. And I like to do 2 calls. So on the first call, I do a discovery call. I ask questions about their business. And on the second call, I put together a presentation where I share my screen and then I close them. And I like to use their specific numbers. So I was doing this in Canva because, like I said, with Claude Code, it can be a little bit annoying to just edit small things like numbers. So you can see it's a pretty standard pitch deck. But I thought, hey, why not just do this in Claude Design, make it way more beautiful, way more engaging, and just have Claude make these small edits to the numbers depending on the business for me. So I went into Claude Design. I created a new design system for Vroom. Like I said, this is kind of like the template. So it has my colors, my design language, fonts, logos, etc. I basically said, hey, I'm creating a pitch deck. I'm going to attach a PDF of my old deck for reference. I want you to recreate me a new one that's way more engaging. And I attached a transcript of an actual sales call I had with a client. And I said, use their exact numbers. And the result is pretty awesome. And I'm definitely going to be using this going forward. So you can see it is now fully animated and just simply way more engaging. But the cool part is every time I have to create a new pitch deck, I don't have to go and edit the numbers myself. I'll just throw the script into here and have it generate me a new presentation. And this is my favorite part right here. It actually has this cool little animation to demonstrate actually texting and booking the customer for them. And you got this little notification that pops up at the top of the phone. And so this is not only way more engaging, way prettier, but it's going to speed things up and make my life much easier. Real quick, I put together a Claude Design style library with over 30 different styles to choose from so you can get started right away. It has everything in here from this cool futuristic kind of animated gradient style. You have this kind of dark modern purple style. You even have something like this retro video game style that I put together, and you can use these for anything, presentations, social posts, whatever you want. And I even have this kind of clean 3D kind of Apple-ish style, and you can even use this for a website as well. So all you have to do is go to Claude Design, throw in whatever script you want and one of the styles from that Claude Design library, then say, create me a presentation using the attached script, and copy the style of the HTML file. And just like that, I have a beautiful presentation using a style from that Claude Design style library. So if you want the over 30 different styles, they're completely free inside my school community, AI Founders. Just click the link below, join the community, again, completely free to join, and you'll be able to download them right inside. But the last thing I'm using Claude Design for right now is just social posts. I do a ton of posts every week inside my school community, and now I can get consistent branding, a consistent template and layout every single time. So I just asked it for a graphic for my weekly Q&A on Fridays, and it gave me a few different options to pick from. But because, again, we're using that design system, I now have consistency between all of my graphics. And so if I go to another one here, I have kind of a Monday morning blog post I do of just my thoughts on AI, Claude Code, things like that. And you can see it's using a very, very similar style, and I didn't have to prompt it because it's using that design system. And lastly, I just did a announcement of a new community manager in that post. And you can see it's all consistent and I didn't really have to direct it. So this is another really awesome use case because if you're doing social posts for a brand, community, whatever, you now have consistency across the board. So everyone just got access to their own motion graphic artist, graphic designer, animator, and I will tell you that my Canva and my CapCut subscriptions are definitely in trouble. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you got value out of it. Once again, that free template library is in my school community down below. Click the link, completely free to join, and then download the full style pack. But if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more Claude Code, AI coding, AI make money online content, and I'll see you in the next one.